Marshall fire left some homes still standing, but with plenty of damage to deal with. Well, today, for the first time, volunteers were out knocking on doors to make a list of what's left.
It's part of the county's three-phase plan to clean up all the debris left behind. Denver 7's Patrick Perez tagged along.
Volunteers went door to door Sunday.
Hi, good morning.
As part of Boulder County's efforts to clean up neighborhoods affected by the Marshall fire.
They've got this website here. We're happy to fill it out for you.
Anna Pishock and her husband Logan were part of a group of more than a dozen people walking through these Louisville streets. With notepads and flyers in hand, they're helping the county assess the need for smoke or wind damage debris removal.
We actually got up this morning, I looked at my phone and I saw there was a call for volunteers. Like, we gotta go.
Volunteers are tackling these 30 zones where homes are still standing in Louisville, Superior, and unincorporated Boulder County. Most of the work is happening Monday.
We're going to be doing the perimeter areas where the more really smoke damaged houses were that were not in the destroyed zones. So tomorrow is going to be much heavier.
Working with the county to remove some of this damaged debris means it's getting disposed of or recycled correctly.
And this is the flyer these volunteers are leaving with these homeowners. There's information on here about what exact kind of debris you can leave on your sidewalk. For example, you can't just put out normal trash nor any burned debris, but you can leave out smoke damaged appliances, construction debris like drywall, and even electronics.
Knowing the number of households that will put stuff to the curb, knowing where, knowing what kind of stuff will just help the county make those resources available.
The actual curbside collection won't begin until the county finishes removing debris from its rights of way. That work started Friday and is expected to take about a month. But getting the word out now about this next phase in cleanup is just one way neighbors can help each other.
And I want to help support it as much as I can. So, for a couple hours walking around giving information, it's a pretty easy thing to do that I hope makes an impact.
In Louisville, Patrick Perez, Denver 7.